Make sure you subscribe. We're in Santorini, Greece. Woo! Yes. Check out that view.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Darren and Sherla. Today we're flying from Santorini to Athens and we're flying with Sky Express. So we got private transfer to and from the airport. This was our way back to the airport and it was the same gentleman that picked us up both times. I highly recommend getting a private service because whenever you're arriving on the island, especially if you haven't been before, it can be super stressful, and this just made it easy for us. We knew exactly where we were going and we felt safe. So at the airport, you don't have to arrive super early. We got there maybe 40 minutes before our flight. It wasn't a lot of people and we got through really quick. So we made it to the Santorini airport. Everything is like super small, as you can see. They have a restaurant. This is the outside, so it's just like some kids, like you walk to the plane. I love little islands. I feel like I can see myself living on an island part-time. And you see, like you can buy, they have alcohol, they have chocolate, they have like all. So if you want more detail about flying Sky Express and our journey to Santorini, I'll go ahead and I'll link our video where we travel from Athens to Santorini. But you guys, one thing that I can say is that I am coming back to Greece, but I'm gonna take flights. I know a lot of people take the ferries and they say it's not that bad, but this is a 40-minute flight from Athens to Santorini, and most of the little islands are like 40 minutes, some even 30 minutes away. And yes, you may be paying a little bit more for a flight, but I think it's so worth it. So when we landed, our Four Seasons representative was waiting for us, and this is where the luxury begins. Santorini was nice, but when I tell you Four Seasons Athens was everything, you guys, I'm so excited to share this hotel with you. So our driver, he like took our bags immediately. I mean, he even took my purse. He took Darren's hoodie. He took everything, and it was just the best. He put everything in the van, and one thing that I loved about this private service was that there was Wi-Fi inside of the van, like Wi-Fi, so we didn't have to worry about anything at all. So this Mercedes van could hold, I believe, like 6 people, so it was more than enough room for us. Our driver told us to put our feet up, to relax and enjoy the ride, and that's exactly what we did. Like, you don't have to tell me twice. Guys, we just made it. Four Seasons picked us up. We got some water. So nice.
Okay.
Is it gonna let you do it?
I'm doing it.
One thing for certain, 2 things for sure. Darren's gonna take out his drone and he's gonna get the arrival to our destination. And you guys, the arrival to Four Seasons Athens was truly unbelievable. When I thought of Athens, like I used to just think, you know, like about the historic, the Greek gods, like the buildings. I didn't really think about the ocean, the beautiful blues like I do other Greek islands, but oh my, was I pleasantly surprised. If you get a chance to go to Athens and you're not able to go to any of the other islands, don't worry, because if you go to the area Astir Palace, it gives you that same type of feel like you're on a Greek island. But let me stop talking and let me let you guys enjoy this epic arrival. arriving at the property, all I could truly say is wow. The design of the property is beautiful. Honestly, the most gorgeous property we've stayed at to date. Not only is there a Nobu, there's a Michelin star restaurant, there's Cartier, there's shopping, everything that you can think of is truly at this property. I mean, there's pools, it's on a beach. I honestly could not ask for more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was so great. I love that you guys have Wi-Fi in your car. It's such a nice touch.
Fantastic. Just allow 1 second. If you have already. Oh, you do have the mobile app as well.
Yes,
right?
we have the mobile app.
Because I saw you also has a special dinner for tonight for the evening.
I did not think, I haven't, oh my god.
So it's your first time that you're with us.
Yes. Our first time at this property. Oh my gosh, the views are amazing. The lovely staff member walked us all the way to our suite, showed us around. She was honestly so sweet, and that's the type of treatment that you get whenever you're staying at a Four Seasons. As soon as you check in, you feel welcome. And when I saw this, I wanted to scream, but I kept it cool. Look at what you're walking out into. That's a pool, then you're greeted by the ocean. Like, this property, I feel like it's truly underrated, but it is the best property we've stayed at to date. Oh my gosh, if you want to see our room tour, I'm gonna go ahead and link it for you guys. We do a full room tour, but I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of our room. Look, you guys, how sweet is this for our anniversary? And they left us some champagne. Honestly, the champagne that I've been having here in Greece has truly been the best. And then they left us some fruit. The really nice card for Mr. and Mrs. Darren Montgomery. How sweet. After our flight and our 40-minute drive to the hotel, we were so hungry, so we went down to the restaurant called Avera and we had some lunch. The views, the decor, everything was a 10 out of 10. It was so beautiful. This is just one of the many restaurants on property, and it definitely started off this trip on a good note. So we started out with the calamari, and this was the best calamari I've ever had in my life. You're gonna see this calamari a lot throughout our vlogs in Athens because it was so good. All the food was really good and the drinks were amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Athens content, and remember to always do more of what makes you happy. Bye.